Do you garden here all year round, even in the summer?
Yes, we do. We are hardcore. I think people are so surprised. They walk in there and they're like, "Oh my gosh, you're still growing!" Like, and it's green, and it's one of those things people picture the desert, and even maybe they can't grow things at their home. And so, yes, we do grow year round.
And what things are you harvesting this time of year besides those funny squash?
Right now, June is one of the hottest months of the year. We just passed that. So we have bell peppers growing, a lot of okra, because that seems to be one of the easiest things to grow. And
And the heat.
it is, and it gives you so much fiber, and it's just great for you. And we have a lot of herbs growing right now. We didn't this year call the tomatoes, they're a little bit of a diva. So this year we didn't grow too well with our tomatoes. But gardening is an experiment. So that's what we're growing, mainly herbs and the peppers and the bell peppers and a lot of okra.